happy Saturday from a wet, windy, locked down Wales. Yes, hope you're all well, hope you're safe, hope you're all doing all those good things, and yeah, your world is okay. Welcome to my little workshop where we detail and PPF cars, and my little channel on YouTube where I try and tell you a little bit about the cars we've worked on and what we've done to them. Do hit the subscribe and do the thing and the bell and the let us know your notifications and comment and tell your friends and all the other YouTube stuff if you like, and if you don't, just enjoy the videos. So yeah, just a quick one. A car we've done lots of, but always rolling through Teslas here. But I wanted to just show you this quick one because it's quite a comprehensive job. So a really nice, not in the white or the black, so a really nice blue Model 3 Performance, which blows my mind because it's like RS6 fast. And a really comprehensive job. So we've done Xpel, I should go and get the sign. The Xpel sign. There we go. We're corporate now. Xpel, PPF on the whole front end to here. And then we have ceramic coated the rest of the car, giving it a polish as well. These always have lots of little sort of QC marks in. Tesla paint is not renowned for being the best. So we fix all of those, machine polish it, get the gloss and the depth really nice. Really nice ceramic coating on the car from Kamikaze collection. The wheels have been removed, we've coated the calipers. The glass has been coated. Again, I think we're doing a lot of these Model 3s now is because they're full glass. Literally the back window, the front window and the roof are all glass. So they are a lot nicer with a coating on the glass to repel water, keep them cleaner. There's no wipers on anything but the front screen. So it just helps repel that and keep the water repellency nice. Just keep it cleaner, really. That's the reason for most of the coatings. Stay cleaner for longer, easier to wash, all of those things. And of course the PPF on the front half is the Xpel Ultimate Plus, so a 10-year warranted film to protect against stone chips, abrasion damage, all sorts of damage really. We also do the headlights. Yeah, so not a straightforward job, one job you've seen us do on lots of other cars, but beautiful colour. This blue, when it's polished and PPF'd, just looks amazing. It really just has so much depth and like a vivid, like a lot of people call it doom blue, don't they? But I like a vivid blue. It's really good. So yeah, not gonna take up lots of time for you. Just gonna probably pick you up. Sorry about the last video, by the way. There was a walk round on the Aston, which I'll upload separately. I had a few issues with uploading on that video, so we'll fire that round. But yeah, I'll pick you up now and give you a walk around. Do ask us some questions. Let me know what you want. Let me know any questions you've got at all, really. Thank you for watching. And I do like to sort of, yeah, keep you updated, and hopefully this is what you like to watch, just see what's coming through the workshop here. Some mega stuff coming up in the next few weeks. And hope you're all staying safe through lockdown and everything. See you soon on the next one.